You see, what's this onion powder, right? All right. Come here, get close.
Oh my God.
Get close. Yeah, look at what's some onion powder in there. Got my, you know, you need that sea salt, because sea salt do some wonders for you. Ah. What's some paprika? No, I don't want that. What's in that black pepper in there? Some garlic salt around here.
Am I in it? Am I in it? I got good.
Alright.
Don't stop.
Look at Chris cooking with love, not measurements.
With love. And the timer. Because I'm not that good yet. I need a taste test. You got. Let me know if it needs some more.
Please blow on that. He just gonna have just a boiling hot stuff.
Hold on. I need my timer. When did I put that in?
I don't know. I'm not your apprentice.
I need more.
More salt, probably.
More salt. What kind of salt? Garlic salt?
No,
Onion powder?
regular.
Regular?
Yeah.
Nope. Oh my God. Cooking with the Chris.
Alright. Hold on.
Now, ladies and
You
gentlemen,
know, I wish I should have bought some Italian, some
please
turkey.
don't say seasoning.
Italian,
Now, let's hope that he doesn't have him taste test with the exact